are under arrest, my lord.
Anakin, I told you it would come to this. I was right. The Jedi are taking over.
The oppression of the Sith will never return. You have lost.
No. 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 You...
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I break your concentration?
Of the Senate and the courts. He's too dangerous to be left alive.
What?
Of the Senate and the courts. He's too dangerous to be left alive.
What?
What country you from?
What?
What ain't no country I ever heard of? They speak English
What?
and what? English, motherfucker! Do you speak it?
What?
Say what again? Say what again? I dare you. I double dare you, motherfucker. Say what one more goddamn time.
What?
Oh, I'm sorry. Did I break your concentration?